Hi guys, if you missed our live math class today, we just did a little review of different strategies that you can use when you are adding. So I'm just going to run through what those strategies are, and then you should try to choose one or two of those strategies when you do your problem of the day today. So this is one strategy called open number line. And so if you're given a problem like 63 plus 11, one way you can do this is by drawing yourself a long line, plot a point for your larger numbers. So 63 was our larger number here. So plot 63 and then add on 11. We added a large hump because we know that 11 is 10 and 1 put together, excuse me. So we added 10 to get to 73, and then we added one more to get to 74. So this is one strategy that's a really good one to use for when you're adding larger numbers in math. Okay, another strategy that you could use is drawing yourself some base 10 blocks. So here we used 85 plus 24, and we got that it equals 109 because we added 80 tens and 5 ones from this number, and we added 2 groups of 10 and 4 ones from this number, and then we added all of our drawing up and got 109. So this is a good strategy to use if you're adding some larger numbers and you just need to see what that number looks like, okay? We talked about another strategy being tally marks, but this is only a good strategy if your number is small. So we said 14 plus 7, that's easy enough. We could draw those tally marks and add them up to get 21. But if you have a number like 4,507 plus 285, don't do that. Don't do tally marks, right? Because you'd be there all day drawing tally marks. So this is kind of meant for if you have smaller numbers that you're adding. So that's another strategy. And then the last one that we talked about was just setting up an addition problem where you're setting your numbers in columns one on top of the other. Excuse me. Excuse me. So we took 74 plus 13 and we did it right over here and ended up with 87 because we added the ones and got 7. We added the tens and got 80, or 8 stands for the 80, right, for 87. We drew this over here because we talked about how if you rewrite your problem and you do it kind of sloppy, and if you don't line up your columns the right way, you could end up with the wrong number. So we did 74, and then we kind of put 13 off to the side a little bit, and we ended up getting 204, which was way off from our original answer. So if you choose the strategy, make sure you're taking care to line up everything the proper way, okay? So that's everything you missed. Just real quick, we did a standard problem where you're writing it out as a strategy. You could do tally marks if it is a small enough number to deal with. You could draw yourself base 10 blocks to do some adding, or you could do an open number line to do some adding. So those were the strategies we just refreshed our memories on, and I'd like you to try to choose one or two of those to do your problem of the day. All right, good luck out there. Let me know if you guys need anything. Bye.